Hi, everybody. It's Thursday, the 23rd, and for the first time in about 2 months, instead of getting rain, I'm actually getting snow. It started snowing this morning, about 8 o'clock this morning, and all day it's been off and on coming down. Where earlier I actually ended up total, as of right now, after a couple inches of it melted off after right around noon. It kind of got sunny for a little bit, but just wanted to show you what a typical spring day here at my place actually is. Kind of showing off my signs here. Sorry about that, but anyways, I just wanted to share the peaceful experience of being up here where I live with just beautiful natural surroundings and tons of wildlife. I will continue this up the driveway a little further, okay? All right, we're back and just showing off my pretty intensive labor down here between my driveway and my road, uh, and how nice it looks now. And this side up here, I've pretty much got all the deadwood out. Up there, at least 50 feet anyways. Uh, I just like sharing how peaceful, beautiful it is here. And so, luckily, again, like I say, for the first time, I am enjoying light snowfall that I have not had in probably 2 months. So, I'm going to end the video here and let you listen to a little silence.